Very soon people will wish to read the Bible in just one day. How this will happen, you may ask. Just behold. Attempting to read the entire Bible in 1 year was initially a daunting task, but I approached it with dedication and a sense of purpose. Each day brought new insights and perspectives, allowing me to appreciate the depth and richness of the text. Transitioning to a 6-month time frame for reading the Bible proved to be a manageable adjustment. The increased pace required more focused commitment, but the experience continued to be rewarding. Delving into the scriptures at an accelerated pace allowed for a more comprehensive understanding of the overarching themes and messages. As I approach the midway point of the 6-month Bible reading journey, the progress has been encouraging. The steady pace has enabled me to maintain consistency and absorb the profound teachings within the text. The sense of accomplishment fuels my determination to complete the reading within the set time frame. Exploring the Bible over a compressed schedule has also highlighted the interconnectedness of its stories and lessons. The continuity becomes more apparent as I progress through the scriptures, revealing a narrative thread that weaves through the Old and New Testaments. The commitment required for a 6-month Bible reading plan extends beyond mere time management. It demands a spiritual openness and receptivity. This condensed time frame encourages a deeper engagement with the scriptures, fostering a more profound connection with the underlying messages. Amidst the fast-paced reading schedule, moments of reflection become crucial. Taking the time to contemplate and internalize the teachings enhances the overall impact of the experience, turning it into a transformative journey rather than a mere exercise in completion. There is a growing sense of anticipation as I approach the final months of the 6-month reading plan. The accelerated pace has not diminished the reverence for the sacred text. If anything, it has intensified the appreciation for the timeless wisdom encapsulated within its pages. As the journey progresses, the realization dawns that the Bible is not merely a book to be read, but a reservoir of wisdom to be embraced. The condensed timeline underscores the urgency of absorbing the profound truths contained within its chapters. The prospect of completing the Bible in 6 months has sparked conversations with others who share a similar aspiration. The shared commitment to this accelerated reading plan has created a sense of community, fostering discussions that deepen our collective understanding of the scriptures. Looking ahead, I can foresee a day when the desire to read the entire Bible in just one day, due to what will be happening in the world, people will wish to know the Bible in just one day. People have been taking everything for granted, and towards the end of the age, what had been sitting in the Bible will become reality, and people will have nowhere to run to, therefore will wish to read the Bible in just one day.